Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the screen zoom on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings, we want to scroll down and find accessibility options. Then we want to go to magnification. And over here we need to enable the magnification shortcut. So let's turn this on. Over here we'll see the information about the button. So let's confirm, we got it. Now we can tap on the button. And now we can pretty much select where we want to zoom in. So we can just zoom in like that and zoom out like so by simply pitching or dragging two fingers around. And over here at the bottom you can also see the detailed instructions about the magnification. Once you are done, once you don't want to use these shortcuts anymore, you want to tap on this button one more time so that there are no orange borders around the screen. And there we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.